talk about the benefits and problems of tourism. So let's talk about the benefits first. It brings in money, or in other words, it can increase economy of countries. This is probably the main of benefit in tourism, and the reason why tourism has been promoted so much. Especially in developing countries, the income generated can make up significant proportion of both local and national income. For example, tourism promotes international connections, which can increase business opportunities made by tourism accounts for 5% global GDP. And then there is opportunistic. It provides jobs, just like hotels, bars, restaurants, shops, and activities all needs staffing, right? Tourism can provide much needed employment for people. For example, every job created in the core of tourism industry around 1.5 extra indirect jobs in the wider tourism-related economies. Okay, that's about the benefits of tourism, and then now let's talk about the problems of tourism. The one is environmental. Tourism can often cause environmental damage with risks like erosion, pollution, loss of natural habitats, and forest fire. Even if tourists behave responsibly, the sheer number of them can cause damage. Ancient buildings, monuments, temples can often struggle to cope with increased traffic and suffer inevitable wear and tear. Reef and natural tourist attractions can suffer permanent damage. For example, when a good number of people visit, they invariably burden the transportation system and contribute to pollution. It's locally and globally for sure. Flying 1 mile in a plane produces about 53% of carbon dioxide, and tourists account for almost 60% of air travel. Some estimate that cruise ships to the Caribbean bring over 70,000 tons of annual waste. And then environmental damage. Many tourist activities such like hiking, snorkeling, and fishing all affect to the local scenery. There's a trail in the Himalayas that nicknamed the Toilet Paper Trail. A tropical golf course requires the amount of water that would feed 60,000 locals plus over 3,000 pounds of chemical pesticides, fertilizers, and herbicides per annum.